Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to create a very snapshot review between these two aircraft, which is NetJets and Flexjet. So let's quickly dive into it. NetJets in 2025 stand as the market leader with the largest fleet, strong backing from Berkshire Hathaway, and a wide range of aircraft for nearly any mission. It's a fractional ownership and jet card program provide a guarantee availability, consistency, and a peace of mind for frequent flyers. However, that scales comes with a very high cost of entry, complex fee structure, and the occasional peak time availability challenges, which may not suit a lower frequency travelers. Flexjet, on the other hand, positions itself as a premium alternative with a focus on luxury and a personalized service. Its fleet includes stylish aircraft like the Embraer Predator and a Gulfstream GT650. It offers a fractional ownership, lesser and a jet card with more tailored owners options. So while it doesn't match the NetJets sheet scales, Flexjet often provide a more budget customer-centric experience. So if you want a global dominance and a guaranteed access, NetJet wins. But if you value luxury and flexibility and a more personal touch, Flexjet is the better choice. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.